This isn't your little beauty supply store contacts that you pick up for like $1. Welcome back to my channel, beauties, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Alicia, and as you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing a colored contact lens try on. I did one before and you guys seem to like it, and I know I had a lot of fun filming it and seeing myself with different eye colors. So a company named Tint Iris was kind enough to send me 6 pairs to try on for you guys, and these are super high quality and super affordable lenses. But not only are they affordable, they also gave us a discount code to save 30% off. So that's 30% off of already affordable lenses. So that's pretty awesome. Thank you so much, Tint Iris, for sending me these contacts. So yeah, so if you're interested in seeing the colors that I chose and how they look on me, then of course, keep watching. Let's get into this packaging though. I love how cute this is. Inside the box, you're going to get your contact lenses, of course. You're going to get tweezers and a suction cup tool to help pick up the lenses in case you have long nails, and also your clear case. So this pair is called HAZEL Master. I used to wear HAZEL contacts in high school because I was blind as hell and I just absolutely hated wearing glasses. So when I saw these on the website, I was like, yup, I have to try these. And honestly, I really like them. Yeah, these just look so good on me. I absolutely love these. Oh my gosh, I feel cute. You know, like when you get your hair done and you start acting up because you're feeling all cute? Yeah, that's what these contacts are doing. Okay, so these ones are called Caramel Green. And they have like the hazel inside and then the green on the outside. And it's just blended so naturally that I actually really like it. And you already know green and brown go very good together. So if you got brown skin, green eyes is it. Look how pretty that is. Let me know which one is your favorite down below of all the ones that I tried on today, okay guys? But so far, the first 2 are hits. So these next ones are called Honey Allure. Although I don't feel like it really works for me, I feel like it would look very nice on a person who has more of a lighter complexion than mine. Like this will be like the hazel for like a more light skinned person. So this is my 3rd pair trying on now, and one thing I noticed is they feel so comfortable. This is definitely some high quality contact lenses. This isn't your little beauty supply store contacts that you pick up for like $1. Nah, you can tell these are really high quality. So these ones are called Winter Sky, and I love the Snapchat filter with the gray eyes, so that's why I had to pick up another gray pair. Again, the way that these are made, it's not just gray. They have a little bit of brown on the inside and then the gray on the outside to kind of make that blend so it looks a lot more natural. Okay, so these ones are called Jungle Lush. They're very interesting, but you know, we had to get something bold and crazy and out of the comfort zone. So these ones are called Winter Volcano, and this again is another gray and brown mixture. They are so nice. The fun thing about contacts is just like hair, when you get to change your hair color, you know, spice up your look. So these are fun to like do different makeup looks, or you know, spice up your Instagram feed. I just feel like a baddie when I put on these gray ones. I don't know why, but like they do something to me. So yeah guys, that's it. I've tried on all 6. It was super fun. I feel like I did pick some really good ones this time around, with the exception of maybe 2 of them. Let me know which one you guys like the best on me, okay? I don't know. I was feeling the hazel ones, but these gray ones, they make me feel away. I don't know. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps me out. And all the information will be left in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.